Hi everyone. In today's video, we will talk about this program. This program is in C programming. The question is, what is the output of blue program? If you look at it, and if you are new to C programming, you would say that this program will print hello 5 times, but that is not the answer. The answer is the compilation error, because it is having compilation error because in the for loop it is mandatory to put two semicolon, but here if you see we don't have semicolon, we have two comma but not semicolon, so that's why it will throw and compilation through a compilation error. Let's play around with this question to understand few more concepts. So for this, what I will do, I will log into my virtual machine and create a small program in C programming. First of all, let me create a directory. I'll name it Monday. I'll go inside this. Using VI editor, I will create one file, main.c. You can give any name, but let's stick with main.c here. And let me go back. I'm in insert mode. You can come to insert mode by pressing I from the keyboard. And let me copy it from here. Copy here and go back to VI editor, right click. This will display a message whether you have to copy or not. It will copy everything. And let me first run as it is. Let's see what happens. I came out of the file and let me compile it. Main.c. I will specify the object output file name or binary name main.out. It has errors. It is saying that expected semicolon before parenthesis. So it is looking for semicolon, and it says because of this first error, it is not able to compile other statements, and it is expecting for a header file because we are using printf. So we can fix all of these in one go. First of all, let me include one header file which is required for printf function. That is stdio.h. After that, let me do one thing. Let me replace this comma by semicolon, and similarly here also. Let me run this. I'll come out of the VI editor by pressing shift colon right WQ. WQ stands for write and quit. I'll come out and will compile the same program one more time. It got compiled. Before running, let's make sure whether binary file is there or not. I can see there is a binary file in this directory. Now let me run it. So you see here hello is printed 5 times, but everything it is printed on the same line. We can fix this by just adding new line character in printf, and this statement or this should be separated from the output, so we can take care of that. Let me go back, edit the file in using VI editor, and after printing you can just say /n. /n is new line character, or we use this character to print messages on the next line. So what it will do, first it will print and then it will insert a new line character for the next statement. I'm saving this file one more time and compiling it again. Now let me run it one more time. See, you see here it is running 5 times. Now a few interesting things about this program. What if I do put semicolon, one more semicolon at the end of the for loop? So in my previous video, if you have gone through my previous video, this is called the for loop does not have any body. So this block is not part of this for loop. I'm repeating, this block is not part of this for loop. What will happen? This loop will run 5 times, but it is terminated or it does not have any body. So this will run 5 times, but it will not do anything. And after completing or running 5 times, what will happen? Control will come here and will come to this line also, and it will this line again, and it will print hello. So hello will be printed only one time because the body it does not, because this block, this I should say braces printf and this closing braces is not part of for loop, so that's why it will run only once. Earlier it was running 5 times, and that's why it was printing hello 5 times. So let me compile this. I'll say escape shift column, right quit, enter. Let me compile it one more time. It got compiled without any error. Let me run it again. See, hello, it is printing hello and new ones because we terminated the for loop. So this is very um, you know to avoid the errors, make sure you are not terminating any for loop. And I can discuss one more important thing. Since for loop has body, and that body we have only one printf statement, then in this case we can avoid having these braces here. Remember, by default, if we are not using braces in for loop, then by default the very next statement is become part of its body. So in this case also, it will print hello 5 times. Let me run it again. So you see hello got printed 5 times. So you can play around with this question or this program by adding multiple for loops. And yeah, so that's all I have explained in this program. Thanks for watching.